what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind. On your mind. I've got 70,000.
Hey you guys, so before I get into the specs about this wig, I just wanted to share with you the packaging. This is from a company called Yyonghair, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. Don't you worry about that. So as you can see, it came with that nice little satin drawstring bag with their logo all over it. Absolutely love that. And of course you get the wig itself, and they did send some wig caps. So on the packaging, I just wanted to show you guys that they did put, you know, that I have a 22-inch wig, and they also have their logo on the packaging. It's very important that companies do that these days. Like, it's just so important. That way I know exactly where my wig came from. So this wig, I will have all of the specs down below as well in the description box, so make sure you check there. I believe this is a body wave wig. It's so pretty, so soft. It does come with combs. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. And again, this is a lace front wig. Hey you guys, so first I want to apologize for my really loud air conditioner. It's kind of humid out here in New York now, so I'm gonna need that. So if you can ignore it, go ahead and do so. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough so you guys can hear me. So let's talk about this wig and this company that I am not familiar with. I never heard of them before, but it is an AliExpress company. The name of the company is Yong, and it's 2 Y's, O-N-G. I'll scroll it across the screen so you guys can see it. Anywho, they reached out and wanted me to try out one of their wigs, so of course I agreed. This is a 12x3 body wave lace front. Of course, it's human hair, and it does have baby hairs, as you guys saw me cut them off because they were extremely too long. And the origin of the hair is Brazilian Remy hair, and it is 120% density. So I'm not going to keep you guys too long because to me this is an average wig. There's nothing spectacular about it. It does have really good parting space, so I really don't have any cons whatsoever, just all pros. It's not shedding, it doesn't tangle, the hair feels so soft and so nice. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through it. I don't know if I told you guys already, but the length that I chose is 24 inches. So of course you can choose your own length. This one retails for about 100 and I believe 174 or $175. Now they are running a promotion. Let me get that information for you real quick. Okay guys, so I had to go get my phone to share with you about the promotion. So they are having a big promotion, and it is from 6/17, which is June 17th till June 23rd, and it is a $9 off coupon, and you can use it in their store, and I'll leave that link and that coupon down below in the description box. So you guys just listen, whatever we can do to save money, I would suggest doing so. So again, I really don't have any cons about this unit. It was pretty easy, as you guys saw in the video or you're seeing now. I didn't have any issues. I never got hair that was 120% density because I always felt like it might be a little too thin. But in this case, with this particular wig, I really like that it's a little thinned out because it gives it a more natural look, and I absolutely love it. Again, I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. I am using the 2 combs that are in the front. It does come with 3 combs in the front and I believe 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps, which I went ahead and adjusted according to my head. The cap is really snug, and again, I don't have it adhere to my head at all. If you girls are going out for a night, or if you want it to stay on your head for a few days or a week, I definitely would suggest adhering it. The lace is very soft, so you won't have any complications with that, no irritations to my knowledge, and yeah, it's pretty nice. I believe that the knots are bleached. They are bleached. I could be wrong, but it looks like I have bleach knots in this unit, and I love it. So yeah, I have really nothing bad to say about the wig. Go ahead and check out this company. Again, it's new to me, but the customer service was amazing. The way we corresponded back and forth was cool. They answered my emails, my questions, and I really appreciate that. So if you girls or guys are interested in this unit, check below in the description box and it'll take you right to it. If you have any questions, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave your comments down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you another time. Bye. Thanks.